Scene was a small roadside cafe. The waitress was sweeping the floor. Two truck drivers drinking their coffee, and two old kids by the door. How much art and candies, they asked her. How much have you got? She replied, we've only a penny between us. Them's two for a penny, she lied. And the daylight grew heavy with thunder, with the smell of the rain on the wind. Ain't it just like a human? Here comes that rainbow again. One truck driver called to the waitress after the kids went outside. Them candies ain't two for a penny. What's it to you? She replied. In silence they finished their coffee, got up and nodded goodbye. She called, hey, you left too much money. So what's it to you? She replied. Daylight was heavy with thunder, with the smell of rain on the wind. Ain't it just like a human? Here comes that rainbow again. Ain't it just like a human? Here comes that rainbow